Hey everybody, it's Supergirl KY here again with another Cricut creation, and this time we are making trifold wedding invites. Starting off, I got this design by going to projects, typing in wedding invites, and scrolling down and looking around until I found what I liked. I used the floral foil wedding invites. Now, I got rid of the actual invites itself in this, but if you want to, you can go ahead and keep them and use them at your discretion. So you also need a scoring tool for this if you would like. I on this track did not have a scoring tool at the time, so I just got rid of the scoring marks and I folded them myself, which it's very easy to do that. So as you can see, I got rid of the actual invites themselves. Got rid of the writing. And the envelope is a little far over, so you have to scroll over. You can drag it on over. And you can change the color to match the cardstock that you would like. In this case, I just picked pink, and then for the invite I did red, but in real life I picked two different kinds of pink. So then you would go ahead and click Make It. So you want to go ahead and pick your colors, and then you'll go ahead and have the Cricut cut it out. So if you have a scorer, you will just have to bend the paper along where the score lines are. And I pre-folded everything. For the envelope, I used Elmer's glue. I highly recommend you use double-sided tape, very thin double-sided tape for this. They stay a lot better, and in the long run it doesn't leave any form of a residue. But there you have it, an easy trifold wedding invite that you can make at home and save some serious money in the long run when you're getting married. This is a quick and easy way to make a wedding invite, and it's super quick to make. If you would like to, please hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. And as always, I will include a link to the design in the description below. It has been a pleasure, and I hope you have a super day.